This is another free tool. In this tool, you can create soap labels. And to start, simply hit the Fill Example button. And that will populate these values with certain example values. And if you want to reset, you can hit the Reset button. That will delete these values so that you can start cleanly. But I will recommend you to use the Fill Example button. Hit it, and here you can choose various templates. Like this one, like round, white, oval. And there's also size customization settings. Like you see, this is getting increased or decreased. You can also change the corner radius. If you want to make it completely rectangular, choose it 0. And see, it is converted into a rectangle. And you can also print cut lines. For that, toggle this. This will show the cut lines. You can also upload your logo via this upload button and browse, or via URL. In the URL, you have to only type your logo. For example, if I put my logo.com, so the logo is shown here. You can change this quantity of contents, either in ounce or ml. See, this is shown in ml. Now this is shown in OZ. You can also change all these templates. You can also change the cosmetics. The cosmetics follow rules and regulations from INCI. And you can also delete these. And you can also add it. All these input parameters are based on certain rules and regulations. And once you're done, simply hit download as PNG. You can also download it as PDF, or you can download it as SVG. Let me show you. This is how it looks like. And similarly, you can change the color. For example, if I choose blush, it is converted into blush. Let's say I put this fancy font, Sagana. And this is updated accordingly. Once you are done, hit the download button. And if you have any question, ask in the comments section. Thank you for watching. By the way, I am building this pin flow app, which creates your pins from your products. Using the beautiful templates and brand, then all of them automatically get scheduled at the appropriate time. And there is also a randomization so that it doesn't sound like a bot. And it automatically selects using AI which pin dashboard these pins are going to be posted into. And everything is done automatically. You have to invest only 1 hour to schedule 30 days of pins. And therefore it saves a lot of time. It is like a virtual assistant. Thank you.